Did you know recruiters are getting savvy at identifying AI-generated resumes and cover letters? If you're using tools like ChatGPT to polish your application, you'll want to know the telltale signs they're watching for and how to avoid them to stand out from the crowd. In this video, we'll reveal common mistakes applicants make when using AI and 3 tips to ensure your application feels genuine and personalized. First, let's talk about red flag phrases. AI tools often generate applications filled with buzzwords like results-oriented, adept at, and cutting-edge solutions. Recruiters see these terms constantly, so they can spot an AI-written resume a mile away. Another big giveaway, a lack of personalization. When an application doesn't reflect the unique aspects of a job or company, it tells recruiters that the candidate hasn't done their homework. Generic responses can signal that the applicant may not fully understand the role or didn't take the time to tailor their application. So, how can you avoid these AI red flags and make your application shine? Here are 3 essential tips. Personalize your application. Customize your resume and cover letter to show you understand the role. Reference specific skills or experiences that align with the job requirements. Ditch the buzzwords. Skip the overused phrases and focus on real examples. Share specific achievements that illustrate your expertise instead of relying on cliches. Proofread carefully. AI-generated applications sometimes contain placeholders or minor errors. Take a few minutes to review your application for accuracy and polish. Using AI tools in your job search can be a powerful advantage, but only if you know how to keep your application unique and genuine. By adding a personal touch and avoiding common AI mistakes, you'll make sure your resume resonates with recruiters and gets you noticed. Subscribe and hit the bell for more job application tips. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned for more career insights to boost your job search success.